Hey everybody, I got a package from swap.com, and this is stuff that I swapped for things that I sent into them. Kind of a neat little thing. If you haven't checked it out, it's kind of nice when you're stuck inside with all the snow and the cold to be able to shop online. Uh-oh, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get this open. Let's get it. I'm balancing my cat on my shoulder, so that would be the other reason it's hard. Okay. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I got this one piece. It's got a flower on it. It's jumping beans. The sleeves are polka dot. One thing you do need to watch with swap.com is sizes. You really gotta watch the sizes, because sometimes they'll put newborn in it. You know, newborn could be 0 to 3, so you gotta kind of watch. And then this is the other one. I thought this was really pretty. And that's a 3 month. So these will be for Kerrigan, since she's my bigger girl. So anyway, that's what I got from swap.com. Love little bows. Thanks for watching. Bye.